In this video, you'll learn how to create a survey from a template. Choosing a template survey saves time. It is the best way to start your survey instantly. Start by selecting the Create Survey tab at the top, or you can click on the red Create Survey button right here on this page. It's hard to miss. You can create a survey from scratch by choosing a blank survey, or choose a ready-made template from our library on the right. Click on Select a Survey Template from the drop-down menu, and you will be offered a list of templates. For this video, we'll use the Employee Satisfaction Survey template and give it the name SurveyCrest Employee Satisfaction. Click on the Create Survey button to continue. You will see the Employee Satisfaction Survey questions on the right-hand side. If you don't like this template, you can easily choose another by browsing through the options on the left, or edit it. Once you're sure about your choice, click on Continue to Edit at the bottom of the page. You will now be taken to our survey editor. This is the place where you can edit your survey template according to your needs. You can add your question here. You can change the question type by using the Question Type drop-down menu. If you want the question to be repeated, click on Duplicate this question, which is indicated with a page icon. You can delete any question by clicking on the bin icon. Just remember, only delete an entire section if you feel it is not relevant by clicking on the bigger bin icon on top of the section. Adding multimedia files is an option that you can add with your question by clicking on Add Multimedia drop-down menu. If anytime you feel like changing the order of your question, simply drag and drop the plus icon with an arrow to that particular question. In case you forgot to add questions in the beginning or want to add a question between questions, you can click on Add Question to add one. Then type out the question in the field where it says Click here to add question. To begin, we'll select our question type from the drop-down menu. For convenience, we'll go with a single choice. Other choices include ranking or the option to add huge text for descriptive responses like an opinion. If you're stumped with ideas, you can choose to add questions from our library by clicking on Add Question Library. When you are in the library, you can choose multiple questions by check-marking the boxes on the left, or you can add individual questions by clicking on Add. You can search for a particular type of question by using the Search Questions feature. Just insert a keyword like satisfaction and hit Search. It will show you all the questions related to your search term. Once you're done, click on Add. The window will close and you will be taken back to your survey template. Skip logic is a feature that works really well if you want to direct respondents through different paths based on the question response. The respondent will see different questions based on the option they have selected. You can add this feature by clicking on Add Logic, select the question you want to use for redirecting respondent, select the answer choice and comparison operator based on which respondent will see this question. Then click Save to save the rule. Piping is another feature in the survey editor which is quite useful. This feature allows you to control the answer choice as a part of a question. You can also pass a previously selected answer as a new answer choice into a follow-up question. To add this feature, click on Piping button. Choose the pipe question. Choose the answer options from the previous question that you want to direct the respondents to. Add answer without quotes in your question. For your reference, piping only works when there are already some questions in the survey. Preview your survey layout at any time by clicking on the Preview button at the top of the survey. Your preview will appear in another window. Once you're satisfied, return to your survey window and click on the Launch tab at the top of the page. You may choose to personalize your survey with a company logo, theme, or message by clicking on Personalize button at the top right. Then click on Activate. Don't forget to set the start and end dates of your survey. If you do not want to start your survey immediately, click on Save and Edit Survey. Otherwise, click on Activate and Publish Survey. Now on to the distribution of your survey. On your left, you'll notice various methods for distributing your survey, including email, social media platforms, sharing a web link or QR code, or by embedding in a website. Choose the medium you prefer by selecting the tab and enter the required details to publish your survey. We would suggest to enter a personalized message to invite respondents to participate in your survey in the text box. Then click Send. There you have it. You can successfully publish your survey using a template. But wait, it's not over yet. Once your responses start to pour in, you can start analyzing them. You can analyze them on screen by going to the Analyze tab. You can fetch data according to question, comparison, question options, respondent's ID, IP address of respondent, particular term in the survey, or date. You may view results in tabulated or graphical format by clicking on See Graph on the right. Share these responses in hard copy by clicking on Print Summary, or in a soft copy by using the Export to Google Docs button. Be sure to verify your Google account once before using the feature. You can download your responses in any format you want, like Excel, CSV, or PDF. So there you have it. Get started on your own survey now. If you still have further queries, check out our FAQs at www.surveycrest.com/help.